My name is Lubita. I'm going to present you a drink which is called traditional milkshake. On the milkshake, I decided to use the Mubuyu. So Mubuyu is our local fruit from the Baobab tree. So what I've just done, we just got the Mubuyu fruit, we smashed the Mubuyu, we just got the inner seeds. So after getting the Mubuyu seeds, we just soaked the Mubuyu seed in hot milk for it to dissolve the calcium part from the Mubuyu. So from there, because if I use milk, it reduces the sourness because the Mubuyu, it is sour. So again, after just added the Mubuyu into milk, I just get the sugar, little bit of sugar. I added into my cocktail to make it taste. Thank you.